we're going to bypass the security system in a 94 Jeep Cherokee. Alright, so we put the power cable on here. As you can see, it's in retard mode. Flashing, lights are flashing. Come over here. Come over here. Grab this fuse right here. This 15 amp fuse. I'm going to pull that. Hey, we're going to set that there. We're going to grab this. This is the security terminal. And I'm just using the piece from my multimeter. I just jammed it in my cigarette lighter here to get a good ground. I'm going to come here to this multimeter, and if I press here, that disconnects that relay. You then disconnect this relay, and the security system is now bypassed, and we're going to go ahead and give it a start. Starts right up, and we're going to grab the security module and disconnect it while the vehicle is running. See how this works. Cut the security module, and now the security module can't be re-engaged. System is good to go, and you can grab this little fuse here, little 15 amp, pop it back in.
What slot is that in?
And that is slot number 21.
21.
Alright, and that's the bypass. Put it all together and it's good to go.